next question is, at simple interest, the principal of 750 becomes 810 in 2 years. At the same rate of interest, how much would it be after 5 years? That means how much would be the amount after 5 years. So simple interest, the question is of simple interest, we can know it. Principal is given as rupees 750. Amount is given as 810 rupees. And time is given as 2 years. Rate of interest is not given. We have to find rate of interest because they are saying how much would be the amount after 5 years. So if we know the rate of interest, only then we will be able to know after 5 years what will be the amount. Principal would be same, amount will change depending upon the years, time and rate of interest. So first we have to find the rate of interest in it. So how to do? Because this is the question for simple interest. So this question is very simple. P into R into T over 100. Simple interest. Do I know simple interest? Simple interest is not given. But we can find out the simple interest. How? We can find out the simple interest by amount minus principal, which is 810 minus 750, which is rupees 60 only. Now I will apply this simple interest in this formula. So now I will apply 60 is equal to principal is 750, R I have to find, time is 2 years over 100. Now two options are there. You can simplify it here only. Better you simplify it here. This is 15. So 60 is equal to 15 into R. So R will be 60 over 15, which is 4. So your rate of interest is 4%. But my question does not end here. They have not asked us to find rate of interest. They have asked us to calculate the amount after 5 years. But to calculate amount after 5 years, I need to find rate of interest. That's why I find rate of interest here. Yeah? Okay. Now rate of interest is 4%. Rate of interest is 4%. Time is 5 years. They are changing the time 5 years. And principal is same. They are asking what will be the amount after 5 years. So again I will put the simple interest formula. Now I hope you can do it. This is very simple, very simple. The only thing is 4 into 5 over 100. Again you will solve it. 0 cancels 0. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and this is 2. And 75 into 2 is 150. Yeah? Now you have to find the amount. Amount is principal plus simple interest. Principal is 750. Simple interest is 150, which is how much? 900. So amount is 900, which is your exact answer. Hope you understand it.